What if one of Ford's most respected V8 engines has been quietly evolving to solve a problem many owners have talked about for years, but few people fully understood? The Ford 5.0 liter Coyote V8 has earned a reputation as one of the best modern naturally aspirated engines ever built. It's powerful, smooth, durable, and capable of handling everything from daily commuting to serious performance upgrades. Yet, behind that reputation, owners have long reported recurring concerns that sparked endless debates across forums, dealerships, and repair shops. Was Ford ignoring these complaints, or were engineers quietly redesigning the engine piece by piece until they had a better solution? For the 2027 model year, Ford isn't introducing an all new Coyote from scratch. Instead, the company continues refining one of its most important V8 engines with improvements aimed at durability, emissions, efficiency, and long term reliability. While the internet is filled with dramatic claims about hidden secrets, the real story is much more interesting and much more believable. The engine that changed Ford forever. When the Coyote V8 arrived for the 2011 Mustang GT, it marked a huge leap forward for Ford. Instead of relying on the old modular V8 architecture, Ford engineers created an all aluminum 5.0 liter DOHC engine with 4 valves per cylinder, dual independent variable cam timing, TIVCT, and a design capable of producing impressive power while meeting increasingly strict emission standards. Over the years, the engine evolved dramatically. The Gen 2 version improved airflow and efficiency. Gen 3 introduced both direct injection and port fuel injection, helping increase horsepower while reducing carbon buildup on intake valves. Gen 4 added revised cylinder heads, stronger internals, new calibration strategies, and further refinements for the latest Mustang GT. Rather than reinventing the engine every few years, Ford has consistently improved the platform through continuous engineering updates. That philosophy appears to continue into 2027. The problem owners kept talking about no engine is perfect. Despite its outstanding reputation, the Coyote developed several issues that became well known among enthusiasts. One of the biggest discussions involved excessive engine oil consumption. Some owners noticed the oil level dropping between service intervals, especially on certain third generation engines. In many cases, this wasn't catastrophic, but it led to thousands of discussions online and numerous dealer inspections. Another complaint involved the famous Coyote tick. A ticking noise at idle became one of the internet's favorite mysteries. Mechanics often disagreed about its cause. Some believed it came from injectors. Others blamed valve train components. Some suggested high pressure fuel system noises. Many engines continued operating normally for hundreds of thousands of miles, despite producing the sound. Ford has never characterized every ticking engine as defective, but continual engineering refinements have sought to reduce unwanted noise and improve overall refinement. Why Ford didn't rush into a complete redesign. Completely replacing an engine family costs billions. Manufacturers only make that decision when absolutely necessary. The Coyote already delivers impressive horsepower, strong reliability, excellent aftermarket support, and compliance with modern emissions regulations. Instead of throwing away a successful design, Ford engineers have chosen a more practical strategy. Improve the weak areas, strengthen critical components, refine manufacturing tolerances, update software, optimize combustion, increase efficiency. This gradual approach is common throughout the automotive industry because it allows proven engines to become even better without introducing unnecessary risks. What's actually changing for 2027? Although Ford has not announced an all new Coyote architecture for 2027, ongoing engineering updates are expected to focus on several important areas: improved durability. Manufacturing precision continues improving with every production cycle. Small changes to machining processes, coatings, sealing surfaces, and quality control can significantly reduce long term wear while increasing consistency between engines. These improvements rarely make headlines, but often have the greatest impact on reliability. Smarter engine calibration. Modern engines rely as much on software as hardware. Updated ECU programming can improve throttle response, idle stability, fuel economy, cold start behavior, and emissions without changing major mechanical components. Ford has steadily refined these calibrations over multiple model years. Better thermal management. Heat is the enemy of every performance engine. Improved cooling strategies help maintain stable operating temperatures under heavy loads, reducing stress on internal components and improving long term durability. Continued dual injection benefits. The combination of port fuel injection and direct injection remains one of the Coyote's greatest strengths. Port injection helps keep intake valves cleaner, while direct injection improves efficiency and power under higher loads. Ford continues refining the balance between both systems to maximize performance while reducing emissions. Why enthusiasts still love the Coyote? Few modern naturally aspirated V8 engines respond to modifications like the Coyote. Stock engines frequently support significant horsepower increases with proper tuning. Add a supercharger or turbocharger, and the platform becomes capable of producing astonishing power while maintaining respectable street manners. The engine also revs higher than many traditional American V8s, giving it a unique character that combines muscle car torque with sports car excitement. That versatility explains why the Coyote appears in everything from Mustangs and F-150 to race cars, drift cars, off-road builds, and custom engine swaps around the world. The bigger challenge facing Ford. Ironically, the biggest challenge for the Coyote may not be mechanical at all. Global emissions regulations continue becoming stricter. Automakers must improve fuel efficiency every year while simultaneously reducing greenhouse gas emissions. And that means engineers must carefully balance performance with environmental requirements. Rather than abandoning the V8, Ford appears committed to making it cleaner, smarter, and more efficient for as long as the regulations allow. The 2027 updates reflect that philosophy, separating internet rumors from reality. Search online and you'll find headlines claiming Ford secretly discovered catastrophic defects or completely reinvented the Coyote. Those claims often exaggerate isolated owner experiences or confuse routine engineering improvements with revolutionary redesigns. The evidence paints a more measured picture. Ford has continuously refined the Coyote since its introduction through incremental improvements in hardware, software, manufacturing, and quality control. That doesn't mean earlier engines were failures. It means engineers continually learn from warranty data, customer feedback, durability testing, and real world driving conditions. Every new production year benefits from those lessons. Should current owners be worried? Not at all. Millions of Coyote powered vehicles continue operating reliably across North America and around the world. Routine maintenance remains the single biggest factor affecting engine longevity. Using the correct oil following service intervals, monitoring fluid levels, replacing filters on schedule, and addressing unusual symptoms early will do far more for reliability than chasing internet rumors. Many Coyotes have already exceeded 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. That track record speaks louder than viral headlines. The bottom line, the 2027 Ford 5.0 liter Coyote isn't a dramatic clean sheet redesign hiding a massive scandal. Instead, it represents the latest chapter in the steady evolution of one of Ford's most successful modern V8 engines. Long discussed concerns such as oil consumption, engine noise, refinement, and durability have influenced years of incremental engineering improvements rather than a single sweeping fix. The result is a V8 that remains competitive, powerful, and increasingly refined while meeting tougher emissions and efficiency standards. For enthusiasts, that's good news. The legendary Coyote continues to evolve without losing the performance, character, and reliability that made it an icon in the first place.